A is for apple, juicy and red. B is for bear, who bounces on the bed. C is for cat, who loves to purr. D is for dog, who goes woof woof grr. E is for elephant, big and gray. Let's clap and shout, hooray! A black clap, 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 and shout, hooray!
F is for fish, swimming so free. G is for giraffe, tall as a tree. H is for hippo, heavy and wide. I is for igloo, cold inside. J is for jelly, jiggle all day. Jump and shout, yay, yay, yay. A bump, jump and shout, yay, yay, yay. J, oh, yay, 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 yay.
K is for kite, flying up high. L is for lion with a mighty cry. M is for monkey, swinging with glee. N is for nest, in a tall tree. O is for octopus, deep in the sea. Wiggle your arms like me.
A bump, jump and shout, yay, yay, yay. J, oh, yay, 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 yay.
P is for penguin, waddling slow. Q is for queen, with a royal glow. R is for robot, beep, beep, boop. S is for snake in a slithery loop. T is for tiger, strong and bold. Stomp your feet, let's go!
A bump, jump and shout, yay, yay, yay. J, oh, yay, 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 yay. Wiggle, wiggle with me. U is for umbrella, in the rain. V is for violin, sweet like a train. W is for whale, singing low. X is for xylophone, ready to go. Y is for yak, furry and neat. Z is for zebra with stripy feet. A bump, jump and shout,